This video I will explain the difference between partition key and sort key in DynamoDB. Amazon DynamoDB is a NoSQL database service that stores data in tables. Each table is like a big container where you put related information. To store and find your data in DynamoDB table, you need a way to identify each item or each row. This is done using a primary key. There are two types of primary keys in DynamoDB. First one is partition key only. The second one is partition key plus sort key. We will understand these two primary keys using simple examples. Now we will see the example of partition key only. Partition key is the main key that uniquely identifies each item in the table. We will see the example of a student table. Imagine you have a table called students and you want to store details of each student. If every student has a unique roll number, then you can use roll number as a partition key. Here you can see the table and here roll number is acting as a primary key, which is nothing but partition key. Every roll number is unique, so no two students can have same roll number. You can search for any student by their roll number and DynamoDB will find it quickly. Sometimes one key is not enough to identify the items. In that case, DynamoDB uses combination of two keys, which is partition key plus sort key. This is called a composite key. Now we will see the example of composite key using orders table. Imagine you have a table called orders. You want to store all the orders made by the customers. Each customer ID can place many orders. So customer ID alone is not unique. To solve this, you can use customer ID as the partition key and order date as a sort key. Here you can see the order table and here you can see customer ID, which is a partition key, and order date, which is a sort key. Customer ID groups the data, which is which customer. Order date sorts the order of that particular customer by time. Together they make each entry unique. With customer ID and order date combination, only one record will be there. One more duplicate record won't be there. With this approach, you can easily find all orders by the customer and you can see latest orders by sorting on the sort key. Why it matters? Partition key decides where data is stored in DynamoDB. Sort key helps to organize and query multiple items under the same partition key. Choosing the right keys is important for fast searches and good performance. You have to use a partition key only when each item is unique by itself. You have to use a partition key plus sort key when you need to store and search multiple related items under the same group.